Hi everybody, welcome back. We are in the Carman shop, and today we're going to be looking at trying to get the haze off of these lights two different ways. The first video is going to be, we're going to be doing it by hand, and we're going to be using the Meguiar's for lights. It's a plastic polish. Also guys, this not only does lights, I've used it for like convertible tops, you know, or Jeep back glass Jeep windows, or just anything like your tail lights, any kind of plastic that you're dealing with, like here, the corner lights, that you're going to need to take off the old yellowing hazing. Or what happens with this is it chemically, after it just gets beat down and dulls and dulls and dulls. So basically you're going to cut the top layer off. Now everybody's got their own version of how to do this. I can do it 10,000 different ways, but I always find it interesting to go with different ways to do it. Now, as we jump into this, let me say this. I have this channel because my goal today, should I say rather, is to help you and your family save some money, do some work by yourself, and keep that cash in your pocket. Now, we do have an Amazon links on all these products that are listed in the description parts of our video. And at the end of this video, or right now if you'd like, we'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe, because we're trying to build the biggest YouTube channel on the planet. You know, world domination, take over the world, that kind of thing. Just kidding. But I really would like your subscription. So, first thing you're going to do is just take and put some tape around this. Now, some people probably don't care. And to be honest, it may not hurt the paint at all, but I'm not willing to take that chance, so I'm just going to be safer than sorry. I've also removed the hood. I opened the hood, so it would not be in the way. And basically, it says start with a clean surface, which is where we're at. And I don't even know if it says shake the bottle, but I'm going to shake the bottle. Okay, it just says apply a little bit to a microfiber, apply and then let dry, and then buff off. Okay, I'm going to shake it up. And this is by hand. Now we are going to do a video right behind this with the other light using the machine and see if there's actually, if it does a better job or if it's actually faster. Now the directions say to apply it in a circular motion. So let's just start. Wait a minute. Sorry guys, new bottle. Let me take this out. You might want to remove the plastic from the top. Of course, I don't edit any of my videos, so any kind of little crazy stuff going on, you kind of get the gist of it right off the bat. Alright, so here we go. We're going to, got a little bit on there, and we're just going to do it. Now I'm doing about medium pressure, nothing crazy. This is going to take a while. I do see it working a little bit. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you this will work at home because I'm actually seeing it on my first pass. But this is a long way to do it. Of course, you know, the machine can do so many hundreds RPMs per minute where, you know, your hand, especially if you're old and decrepit like me, you can only get so much done. Definitely feeling this. Alright, well I've got to take you to the end and she's just not there. Alright, so let's just buff some of this old stuff off. Now you can see about right there where the paint line's at. I would say it's working. Now this is lightly oxidized. But it is a little bit of a job doing it this way. And this is not coming off easy. And not that any of them really come off easy. I'm just used to a machine, if that even makes sense. So I'm just kind of buffing, doing my thing. Alright, we're going to hit this again. You just keep working it in there in that circular motion, and it's just cutting it. I mean, it's just cutting all the old stuff off is what's happening. Of course, any spot you miss will be extremely evident. Okay, I kind of see how buffing works on this. I think it's okay, but I do see some discoloration still, like through here, and I see a little bit right here on the edges. This is where I can't really put that whole lot of power behind it. But keep rinsing and repeating, it'll keep getting brighter and brighter. I'm kind of focusing in on one dull spot I was just on. Now she does seem to be getting her polish on. I'm only into this. This tape is not cut or edited, so this is real time what it's taking. I'm definitely a big guy, so I'm putting some heat on it. Don't be making jokes about the big thing. You know I was talking about muscular. So I need another Fat Albert the Car Man joke going on. Okay. Alright guys, so that's what I would say. I mean, I don't see it getting much better than this. By hand. I'm saying these right here look bright. They would definitely pass Virginia inspection. They're probably not as brilliant as I would like them, but they definitely would work. And I'm sure if we went by again and offered one more pass, we'd probably get a little more brightness. So let's try one more pass and see what happens. Like Arnold Schwarzenegger said, rinse and repeat, baby. That's how you get strong. That's how we get bright lights, baby. Rinse and repeat. Okay, I'm feeling this. Like we're kind of making some progress here. Even maybe a little more than we were. Wish I knew what it looked like through the camera, but of course I don't have that luxury. So if it looks terrible, y'all be like, Car Man, you need to delete this video. Alright. I can't believe the stuff I do for y'all. Out here doing manual labor when y'all know I got to DeWalt. Just to see if it works. Alright. I gotta say, guys. I think if I was at home and had to get my lights inspected for no more than this stuff costs. Looks like my dogs are happy. Or not happy, one or the other. Meanwhile, nothing but peace and love from the Car Man. That's the finished result. Hang on a second. We're going to do this with a machine on the other light and just see how this works. I'm going to say that it's a success. I mean, it's not as fast as I like. And it's certainly a little more labor intensive than I like. But as far as will it work? Absolutely it'll work. There you are, guys. That's what she looks like, and you see it in real time. Meanwhile, my battery's dying, and you know the Car Man loves you. And I'm going to wish you peace and love throughout the world and broadcasting from the RVA. I will see you in a minute as we use a machine to do the other light. And there's the other light. Oh, ho, ho. Look at that one. Look at that one. All right, so it's a success, guys. I'm just being a little wuss because I don't like to do manual labor. I like to just hit a machine and go. But for 5 minutes at home, or let's see, this video is now at 10 minutes. So 10 minutes from start to stop. Don't complain. Just get it done. Meanwhile, nothing but love. This product will be listed on the Amazon. See ya, baby.